Fractions? Fractions? How dare you? Fractions. Yeah, but you know what? I'm going to do something really cool here. I want to give you another option on how to do this. And it's all organizational, okay? That's all it is. We usually do things this way, but because I'm dealing with this and this, it's just going to be a mess. So it might be easier if I just do this vertically. Let me show you what I mean by this. I'm going to just put each one of these line by line. So I'm going to start with a 6, of course. So that's going to give me 6, choose 0. Then the next line will be 6, choose 1. The next line will be 6, choose 2. See what I'm doing? Okay. Then keep on going here. This is going to be 6, choose 3. 6, choose 4. 6, choose 5. And then 6, choose 6. And then what I'm going to do is just going to add them up. And that'll be my end. Okay? Perfect. So let's go. Here we go. So looking at the next one here. This is a squared. It's to the power 6. So this is a squared to the power 6. This will be a squared to the power of 5. This will be a squared to the power of 4, and so on and so on and so on and so on and so on. Okay? This will be a squared to the power of 3, a squared to the power of 2, and then a squared to the power of 1, and then last but not least, a squared to the power of 0, which is just plain old 1. Okay? Let's keep on going in this organizational train that I've started here. Okay, back up here. Now, this is minus, right? So we've got here is minus 1 over a, right, to the power of 0, minus 1 over a to the power of 1, minus 1 over a to the power of 2, minus 1 over a to the power of 3. But what if you're stuck and you can't remember? Remember, your exponents, this guy and this guy, have to add up to your original exponent, which is 6, and also have to add up to that number. So you see that all the exponents all the way down still add up to 6. Okay, let's keep on going then. Woohoo! Here we go. This is going to be minus 1 over a squared. This is going to be, to the 4. Apologize. Minus 1 over a 5, minus 1 over a, finally to the 6. Woo-wee! That's a lot. Okay, so what? Let's go. Let's keep on going. Let's figure this guy out. Now, remember the numbers? Let's deal with that nice symmetrical Pascal's triangle. This becomes 6 choose 0 is 1. Okay, going all the way to the bottom then, that makes this 6 choose 6 as 1. There's your first numbers. Then, let's go back to the top. 6 choose 1, we know is going to be 6. So that means that symmetrically, this is 6 choose 5, which is going to be 6. The next number here that might be a bit of a problem is 6 choose 2. Okay, so let's bring up the calculator. Clear all the stuff out of here that we had before and go, okay, alpha, there's our choose, there's our 8, and go 6 choose 2, which works out to be 15. Oh, great. Okay, so that means back over here then, this guy here is 15, and symmetry tells us that this guy here is going to be 15. Look at this. Because we know symmetry of Pascal's triangle, we've only had to calculate the numbers, the choose numbers, twice. That's it. The rest of it is based on what we know. So we're going to 6 choose, what did we use here? Let's go back here. We have to do 6 choose 3. 6 choose 3. Boom. Enter. There's 20. Boy, that's just so nice. If we can use little tricks like that to help us get through this, why the heck not? Okay, so let's go on. Okay, so now we got the numbers down and we got that down. Let's start looking at this mess. Isn't this a to the 12? Beautiful. This, of course, is going to be 1. Beautiful. Great. So it's a to the 12 times 1. Done. Look at that. Look how nice that is. Now, look at this. This will be a to the 10 first. This will be times 1 over, or negative 1 over a, because it's a to the 1. Negative 1 over a to the 1. Oh, woof. Okay, let's look at the next one. Isn't this a to the 8 times, now remember it's squared, so that negative is gone. This will be 1 over a squared. Okay, this will be a to the 6 times, the negative is back, negative 1, a to the 3. Huh, cool. Look at this. This is a to the 4 times, the negative is gone again because this is an even number. So that's going to be 1 over a to the 4. Wow. Okay, keep on going. We're almost done here. This is a to the 2. And that's going to be negative is back, a to the 5. And then finally, that's 1, which we know. That's going to be 1 over a to the 6. That looks complicated, but by keeping it organized like this, it really isn't. Here we go. Beautiful. That works out to be a to the 12. Wow, that was tough, wasn't it? No, it wasn't. Okay, let's go to this one. Number here is 6, of course. This is going to be, now it's going to be a negative for sure. Okay, you got a to the 10th divided by a. Well, isn't this a to the 9th? Of course it is. Check this one out now. That's 15. There's no negative there. That's going to be 15. Isn't that a to the 8 over a to the 2? Isn't that a to the 6? Yeah. Check this one out now. Look at this. Isn't that 20? A to the 6 over a to the 3. Isn't that a to the 3? Do you see a pattern yet? I do. Okay, check this one out. This is going to be 15, and look, a to the 4 and a to the 4, they cancel. Wow. So it's just 15. Finally, this is going to be, okay, we forgot the negative on this one. Don't forget the negative on that one. Ooh, just about messed up. Whew. Okay, this is going to be equal to 6, and it's going to be, there's the negative, and that's what reminded me in the last question to look for the negative. A to the 2 over a to the 5. So this is going to be 1 over a to the 3, which we can write as just 6 over a to the 3, right? And then finally, last but not least, this is going to be 1 times 1. Oh, that's tough. Times 1. Oh, that's even tougher. 1 over a to the 6. So look what we have. Oh, my goodness. This is so amazing. Go right back to the top again. We have a to the 12. Right? A to the 12, let's write it down. A to the 12. Okay, next one, according to our organization here, is minus 6a to the 9. Okay, minus 6a to the 9. Next one should be a plus because they alternate. 15a to the 6 plus 15a to the 6. Right? Keep on going. Minus 20a cubed. Minus 20a cubed. Okay? There's the 15. You see how the exponents are going down by 3? So the next one is 6, but now the a is in the bottom. Okay? And is that a negative? Oh, yeah, should have been a negative. Okay? So notice how it's alternating. So we do make a little mistakes like this, but we catch them and we clean them up as we go, okay? And this will be plus 1 over a to the 6, and that's the end. Oh my goodness, that was started off as a bit of a nightmare, but if we keep things organized and we look for patterns, and one of the key patterns is, of course, these are going down by 3s. The other key pattern is because of the negative, these guys alternate. Right? So you can catch your little mistakes like what I was trying to kind of avoid in the podcast, but I did by checking my results and noticing the pattern. That's the key to this. Organization, look for the pattern.